Namaste, friends. I'm sure you might have heard the name of all-time, all-time great scientist, inventor, businessman Thomas Alva Edison, inventor of bulb, right, and many other things. Patented, patented almost more than 1,000 things. In 1912, his factory, 1914, his factory catch fire. It was a massive fire, but during that time, fire brigade came. They tried, but they could not control such a huge fire. All his prototypes, experiments, handwritten notes, everything worth few millions got burned out. His son came in and said, "Daddy, our factory had a massive fire. Can you please visit there?" So all members they visited there. They saw it. Now 67 years, young man Thomas Alva Edison, he asked his son, "Can you please call your mother and her friends also? They might not have seen such kind of great fire in history, and hopefully they might not see such kind of massive fire in future also." He did not cry, he did not complain, he did not blame. One reporter visited him and says that, "Sir, how do you feel?" He simply says, "I'm too old to make excuses. We will start rebuilding it tomorrow." And within few weeks, he started working towards it. And within 2 or 3 years, he made the same company once again profitable. The moral of the story is that loss is temporary, mindset is permanent. Leaders don't get panic. They find all the alternatives. Restarting with a courage is more powerful than never failing. When everything burns, your clarity will rise. Bounce back defines greatness more than success does. E plus R equal to O. E means events, R means response, and O means outcome, output. Events are not in your hand, but how you respond to them, not reacting. Respond to them will decide your outcome or could be result. Thanks for watching and learning from this story. Myself Ganesh, Mindset and Communication Coach. For further detail, you may connect on my WhatsApp 9880537357 and email ganesh_parade@yahoo.com. Thanks once again, and let's connect tomorrow for new learning with new story. Bye for now.